welcome you in the bio class. I am going to explain lymph and lymphatic system. So what is the lymph? For that, children, first you have to know tissue fluid. What is the tissue fluid? You have studied in circulation of blood. Blood is circulated from the heart to the different part of the body through the arteries. From the heart, blood is circulated from the heart to the body through arteries. Then it is coming to the body. Again from the body through the veins, it is coming to the heart. These arteries and veins are interconnected by fine blood vessels which form network of blood vessel on the surface of the different tissue or organ of the body. So that is the blood capillary. This is the blood capillary. When blood is flowing through these capillaries, from the capillaries, the liquid part of the blood, which is the plasma, and leukocytes, that is white blood cells, they leak out. Plasma and leukocytes from the capillaries, from the wall of the through the wall of capillaries, leak out. Then this fluid bath the cell, and this fluid, which fluid? This plasma, and which contain leukocytes, which have leaked out from the capillaries through the wall of capillaries, that is called tissue fluid. Tissue fluid. So clear to you what is the tissue fluid? Tissue fluid is the plasma and leukocytes which leak out through the wall of capillaries, from the capillaries. After that, this fluid baths the cells and tissue. It is called tissue fluid. Or other name of it is intercellular fluid. This tissue fluid is also known as intercellular fluid. It is also known as extracellular fluid. Extracellular fluid. Now from this fluid, some fluid is reabsorbed into the blood vessels. What tissue, what fluid leak out from the capillaries through the wall of the capillaries? That is the tissue fluid. And from the tissue fluid, some fluid is reabsorbed into the blood vessels. But what is the remaining which is not reabsorbed? That will enter in another vessel system. That vessel system is called lymph vessel, and that remaining fluid is called lymph. So lymph is the remaining tissue fluid which is not reabsorbed into the blood vessels, but it will enter in lymph vessel. So there are many lymph vessels in our body. So the main lymph vessels are shown here. These are the structures of the lymph vessels. So these are the different lymph vessels. So these will form a system that is called lymphatic system. It will form lymphatic system. The lymphatic system consists of lymph vessels and lymph nodes. So what are the nodes? The lymph vessel on the way drain lymph into a node-like structure. That is the lymph node. This is the lymph node. There lymph nodes are present. So now you have to see what is the lymph and what is the composition of the lymph. So I told lymph is the remaining part of the tissue fluid which was not reabsorbed into the blood vessels that enter in the lymph vessels, and it will enter in the anterior veins just before it entry into the right auricle. But this lymph, it is made of cellular part and non-cellular part. Cellular part and non-cellular part. Cellular part of the lymph, leukocytes, only leukocytes are there. It means only white blood cells, no RBC, no platelets. But this non-cellular part, 94% is water only, and remaining 6% is solid substance, which may be protein, fat, carbohydrate, enzymes and antibodies. You have to know what are the functions of lymph. Functions of lymph. It supplies nutrients and oxygen where blood cannot reach. It drains away excess of fluid, tissue fluid and metabolites. It helps in the absorption of fat from the intestine, and it contains leukocytes, white blood cells, that is the defense force of the body. So therefore, it will provide protection. It defends the body. It contains lymphocytes and monocytes. So they defend the body. They remove the bacteria from the tissue. In that, you have to know about the spleen. This spleen is the largest lymphatic organ. It is present in the chest. It is reddish brown in color, just behind the stomach. So this is the structure of spleen, just above the left kidney, and it acts like the blood reservoir. It store the blood. It produces lymphocytes. It destroys worn out red blood cells. It produces red blood cells in the embryonic stage. So I told about lymph, tissue fluid, lymphatic system, and largest lymphatic organ, that is spleen.